What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, last week we started a series called Real Life Manifesting. I am taking my mom and my sister through 8 weeks of manifesting work, alignment work, law of attraction work, to be able to get them to reach a whole new state of living so that they can manifest their own desires, all using law of attraction. Today, we are with my mom.
Hi everyone.
I gave you 3 videos to watch, and the purpose of these videos were just to get her to start to learn about the science behind manifesting, the science behind the law of attraction, and how science is actually proving that you do create your reality and that the law of attraction is 100% real.
I got a lot of information through the 3 videos. What was really interesting was the water one. I didn't realize water molecules actually change with just someone observing or intending something for the water molecules. Like, let's say you wanted the water to be blessed. It was just really interesting to see that the water molecules changed when there was a certain intention, and then how that related to your body as well.
The second video.
The bottom line that I think I got was that we have the ability to influence our behavior.
It's not even our behavior, matter in general.
Yeah.
Matter being anything that you can touch.
Yes.
People, things, pets, anything that you can actually see and touch that is physical.
So yes, we have the ability to influence our matter.
Matter, exactly.
So whether matter can be traveled through, was it marbles and waves?
So the waves are the wave of possibilities. It's literally every single outcome to any situation is all happening at once, but whatever the outcome ends up being, whatever you see, is just based off of you.
That's just amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's amazing.
That even has to do with health too in your body, because your body is still a manifestation. Your body isn't you. Your body isn't your manifestation. That's why you're able to change your body through your mind. You were able to manifest a lot of other things. Yeah. So let's link to some of the videos right now.
So on Saturday, this has been a long time coming. I basically wanted my new curtain rod in my bathroom. Coincidentally, my husband put up the new shower dispenser, but the curtain rod he forgot to do. So I was hoping and manifesting that he was going to do it, and lo and behold, that day he did. A nice, clean curtain rod, if you can see it. Sunday was his last vacation day before he goes back to work, so I was really hoping for some quality time with him. And I knew that day we had a technician coming in, and he had to go to a friend's house to help him move a few things. And I thought, oh no, we're not going to have any quality time before he goes back to work for Monday. I made a relatively nice dinner, and we had dinner together, and then we finished watching our favorite, at the time, Netflix episode. We finished the series, actually, or the season of Messiah, but we did have a wonderful evening after all of the activities were done. So I don't know if it was manifestation or just planning on my end, but it did happen. Today's Monday. I had a trip to the doctor's office downtown Toronto, and I was feeling a little apprehensive Sunday evening about it because a mild snowstorm coming, and I didn't know what the traffic was going to be like. I hoped that the trip downtown was going to be a simple drive. I came back today and was very happy to see that my trip was successful and it was uneventful, which is a good thing when you're driving downtown Toronto. And I thought that today would be a good day, and had my oncology appointment today, and I have been considered now cancer free. So yay! Yeah, so it's a good day. So yeah.
How did you feel when you saw these manifestations come about?
Pretty happy.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty happy. The shower. Yeah.
All it was waiting for was your intention.
Yes.
But the intention led to all of that.
Yes. Tying it in with other relatable items to do that day.
It's interesting though, because you never had that idea before, right?
Correct.
Even though it was her idea to put it in a certain way, that idea is still the thing that led to the manifestation.
Correct.
If you didn't have that thought to plan out a dinner, do you think that manifestation?
No.
Why I'm bringing all of this up is because the thoughts that you have once you set an intention for something are the things that can help you manifest those things. Okay? Because if you didn't have that intention, then that thought probably wouldn't have popped up, and then that outcome probably wouldn't have happened.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So it's the intention first.
Yes.
Then the thought.
Yes. Your thoughts are still manifestations. Your thoughts are still manifestations. Write out the new Patricia that you want. So all the qualities of this new version of you.
More energy and being active. Strong, less reactive, calm.
All that we're doing right now is getting her to dial in on how she wants to be, the version of her that she wants to manifest. So, as we know from the video that we were just talking about, this version of you already exists. So this is already a possibility for you. It's already in the quantum field. It's already there. It's already hovering around you. Okay? So when you read this, does an image kind of pop up of what that looks like for you? Right. Yeah. Does a feeling kind of pop up of what that feels like?
Yes.
It's going to be the same exercise, but I'm going to get you to do it for two different versions of you. When you are thinking about that version of you, spend time in that reality. So close your eyes, and I want you to embody her and allow the energy to come over you. Start to see what that feels like. What does it feel like to have that version of you?
Content.
What kind of thoughts does this version of you have?
Unrestricted.
Unrestricted. What does that mean?
Means there's no excuses.
Okay.
There's no, I don't want to sound negative, but there's nothing holding me.
Okay. Perfect. Let's say something happens and something kind of triggers you. What would be your normal reaction? Like, what would be your normal mental routine? And all we're doing right now is just going through and changing her mental patterns when it comes to what she does when she's triggered.
Again, I guess the panic disorder would come into play, and it would react to something that it's not according to the plan, so, or my vision of how life is supposed to be. So then I would react and, get a little tempered.
How does this version of you react?
what I hope it will do.
No, not hope. How does this, I want you to embody this version of you. Allow her to come back.
Mm-hmm.
And really spend time with this version of you, because this is the new version.
Mm-hmm.
The old you is a thing of the past. Think of it like that. That old you is just a thing of the past. That's not you anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So this new Patricia, embody her again.
Calm. Calm is what she is. She is calm, and she's rational and shows strength.
Mm-hmm. Nice. I want actually that, what you just saw and what you just felt.
Mm-hmm.
I want that to be the image that you bring and do your homework on. You can do other ones if you feel guided to,
Mm-hmm.
but I really want that one to be the focus. So when you do in the morning, you do that visualization. Exactly how it was. So you see something happen, and then how does that version of you react?
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then throughout the day again, keep bringing it up. What we're doing now is we are retraining her mind and her body to then entrain to this new version of her, this new Patricia. So that means you have to spend time in it.
Mm-hmm.
Get your body to memorize
Used to
it.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Thank you.
That's it, guys.